Hello, my dear kids. I hope you all are fit. So, now the festival is over. Let's continue our studies. See, in this today's session, I am going to explain you 8.7 exercise. We will be covering division part. And children, remember this is the last exercise of this chapter. All the word problems are cut. That means exercise 8.8 on page 130 is cut. Now let's see how to do the division with 10, 100, 1000 or by the zeros number like 200, 500, 50. And we will see to do the division of the decimal number with the whole number, or the dividend is whole number and the divisor is the decimal number, or you can see both the numbers, dividend as well as the divisor, both are decimal numbers. Now how to do? Let's see the register work. Children, see A part. In this, the decimal number is to be divided by 10. Children, remember this. When we do multiplication, the decimal shifts towards the right. And when we do division by 10, 100, 1000, the decimal shifts towards the left. So, this without solving directly also we can do like this. See, divide by 10 is equal to, write the number without decimal. Now see how many zeros are there? 1. And earlier the decimal was behind this first 5. So it will take a jump toward the left side. This is the left side, this side. So it will move one step. So this is the answer. Or you can do by solving it. See, the question is 45.5 divided by 10. Now how to do the solution? See, remove this decimal. I already explained how to remove. After this decimal we have one place, one digit. So we will write 10. Now this 10, we can reciprocate it into 1 by 10. Now what it has become? 455, that is 455 upon 10 into 10. That will be 100. So now 2 digits. So you can write 4. First write the number. 2 digits. That means 2 zeros are there. 1, 2. So 4.55 is the answer. Now children, see this C part. 482.16 divided by 1000. So directly how we can do? Just write the number, this dividend without decimal. See, where is the decimal? Behind 2. How many zeros are there? 3. So it will take 3 jumps and in left direction. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the answer. 0.48216. And just see the solving, or you can do by this way. Just copy the question divided by 1000. Now remove this decimal. 2 digits after the decimal we can place 100 and reciprocate this 1000. So you will get 1 by 1000. Now multiply it. 48,216 by 1 and 5 zeros. That is 1 lakh. Now see, 5 zeros are there. You know how to do division of this. Write the number. Now count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now start counting from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now place the decimal. So this is the answer. Children, you can do by any of the method. Now see this decimal number to be divided by 30. This is E part. Remove the decimal. In the denominator you get 100. Now this you can reciprocate. It will be 1 by 30. Now children, 246 by, you can this expand it. 100 into, how you can write this? 30. 3 into 10. So 2 246 in the denominator, what you will write? 1000. This 110 I have multiplied into 3. Now we can divide this 246 by 3 first. So you know, in the rough side you can divide like this. You will get 82. Now by dividing 246 by 3 we get 82. So we can write 82. This is still left 82 by 1000. So write down 82. How many zeros are in the denominator in 1000? 3. 1, 2 and 3. This is the answer. Now see this H part. Copy down this number, dividend, and remove the decimal. You get 100. Now this reciprocated 1 upon 500. Now what is the next step? To expand this number. 5 into 100. Now zeros you can multiply. 21416 upon 5 into 10,000. I hope it is clear. Now this 21,416 we can divide by 5. Let's see how to do the division. 21416 by 5. 5 fours is 20. 1 and 4. Then 2s are 10. 4. Now this one 8s are 40. 1. Now this 6. 3s is 15. Children, see, still the remainder is left. Now how we can do? Put the decimal and 0. And 5 2s is 10. Now it is completed. So if you divide this 21416 by 5, what we get? 4283.2. Now still 10,000 is left. I explain you that when we have to divide, the decimal moves towards the left direction. So it is behind 3. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So first copy the number without decimal. Earlier it was behind 3. Take 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the answer. Now children, see question number 2, B part. In this decimal number is to be divided by 2. So directly I am explaining you, and you can do by removing. I am explaining you directly and you can do. Children, see question number 2, B part. 56.64 decimal number is to be divided by 2. That is whole number. Children, you can do as I have explained you in question number 1 by removing the decimal. Now I will explain you to do directly. See, you know, in division we used to write like this. And this is dividend and this is divisor. We will write it here. Now do as we do normal division. 2 2s is 4. 1 is left and 6. 2 8s are 16. Now see, before copying this 6, what is coming? Decimal. Now this decimal we will place it over here. Now copy this next number 6. It will be 3s are 6. Now 4. 2s are 4. So you can write therefore 56.64 divided by 2, the answer is 28.32. This is the answer. Children, see this E part. In this, the dividend is a whole number and the divisor is decimal number. So now we need to remove this decimal. Write down this. Now divide by 4.8. If I remove this, what I get in the denominator? 10. Now 564, reciprocate this, it will become 10 by 48. So now it has become 5640, that is 5640 to be divided by 48. Now see how to do the division part. 5640 is the dividend and divisor is 48. Ones are 48. Now what is left? 8 and 4 is copied down. Now again ones are 48. If you subtract, what you get? 6 and 3. Now this 0. Sevens are 48 sevens are is 336. And if you subtract, you get 24. Now children, see, this is a remainder. Put a decimal over here, and with a decimal you can borrow 2 zeros. The first one I am taking. 48 fives are is 240. See, by taking a decimal and 0, the quotient is completed. So, therefore, 564 divide by 48, 4.8, the answer is 117.5. This is the answer. Now children, see this H part. Both the numbers are decimal. So, first copy the number and remove the decimal from both the numbers, both the sides. Now this decimal is removed. How many digits are there after the decimal? 4. So you can write 10,000. Now here 3 digits are there. So you can write 1000. Now it has become 3375 by 10,000. Now reciprocate this side. It will become 1000 upon 125. Now 3 zeros we can cut. Now the question is 3375 by 10 into 1 upon 125. That means 3375 by 10 into 125. Now we can write like this. Now children, 3375 divide by 125. You can divide like this. So what you get? 27. So when we divide this by 125, we get 27 and still 10 is over there. So 2.7 is the answer. So children, I have explained you this exercise 8.7. Do the shortlisted questions. Thank you.